Hello and welcome to This Week in Cells. The main program for this morning will be about the chloroplast.
The chloroplast is obviously the best and most important organelle in the cell body.
The chloroplast captures light energy and converts it to chemical energy. Without it, the cell wouldn't be able to function since it wouldn't have the fuel to do so.
The chloroplast is only found in plant cells, and it is the reason that plants are green. A chloroplast contains chlorophyll and is surrounded by a double membrane. If you vote for chloroplast, you will not be disappointed. Voting chloroplast for organelle in chief has many benefits.
The chloroplast provides energy to the cell so that it doesn't die or stop functioning properly.
The chloroplast works well with others, even if they are the other organelles.
We have many scandals to talk about, so let's get to it.
Our first scandal is going to be about the ribosome. If there is even a small malfunction in the ribosome, this could lead to severe disorders. For example, bone marrow failure, anemia early in life, and a higher risk of cancer in middle age. They say they are the best organelle, but if they were, they wouldn't be causing this many diseases. How disgraceful.
Oh, and did you hear about the mitochondria? Apparently, it can cause many diseases ranging from diabetes mellitus and deafness to myoclonic epilepsy with ragged red fibers. They're also really gross when you think about it. They're like the stomach of the cell, digesting proteins and giving the cell energy. Gross. The chloroplasts are the much cleaner and nicer version of the mitochondria. They have the same function, which is to give the cell energy, but they do it by gathering nutrients from the warm sun and turning them into energy through a process called photosynthesis, which, when you think about it, is much cleaner than the stomach. Period.
To be the stomach of the cell. That's disgusting. Anyway, did you hear what the endoplasmic reticulum said about the flagellum?
No, what did he say?
He said that the flagellum is extra and irrelevant, and that the flagellum shouldn't even be part of the cell. And he also said that the flagellum does nothing important for the cell except for help it move.
I mean, he isn't lying. The flagellum does nothing for the cell except help it move. He doesn't even give energy to the cell or produce proteins or anything important like that. All he does is wiggle and take up space.
True.
The chloroplast is obviously the most important organelle in the cell. And to be honest, the chloroplast deserves to be the organelle in chief. No cap. Lastly, the chloroplast should be the organelle in chief because it works well with other organelles, even though the mitochondria is not nearly as important and cool. The chloroplast partners with the mitochondria to provide energy to the cell as well.
That is all the news we have for today, folks. And remember, everyone, vote for chloroplast.
Hello and welcome to This Week in Cells. The main program for this morning will be about the chloroplast. Hello and welcome to This Week in Cells. The main program for this morning will be about the Lizzie. Hello and welcome to the Lizzie. Airing in 1, 2, 3. Hello. Stop. Thank you for watching.